Da kajing sokia halor kajing shimdor kabaram ya kibasha sumar ke rehabilitation center kibapanya dagi ken hon shiman umentri beripet ya social welfare uba polling do menta kasngi ka nyaw tri ujleu ulong basan ansapan long ya kajing alang hapadang katanat kokot kakya bat ka social welfare halor kajing kali la ka sarkar ka donjing tmun mandon no la ka jongka rehabilitation center umentri sarkar ulong bodon kajing kerman ba katanat kan yo ban sedang ban penyat ya kitigi jaka sumar nak benta kitu kibrio ki bangop how drugs
the rehabilitation of members of the society who have gone the wrong way. So we will intensify our action plan, and we should be able to cover the entire state in the next 6 months. We intend to also set up more rehab centers. The only issue here is, as you said, the exorbitant rates charged by private centers. On this, the government has to step in, but as I've just taken over, it's not even 3 months. So we will certainly give this all the required attention, and we will certainly be able to initiate our own rehab centers, at least beginning with the state capital. Well, that is a question that actually should be addressed to the health minister. But since I am also government spokesperson, we need to, and I will have a joint meeting with the health department to go to the entire issue, and we will be able to come up with an action plan. Pi ka shujaring khat ba ka Shillong ka day ka transit point ka ba briki pendon kam ya ka national highway ban le chikwi states te bat ni janru ba bat ka Myanmar ka we kata ka ba ar pa de kalong ba kani ka ang pangidon kani ka national act NDPS ka dan bun mahaki kendon ki ba khanglan ya ka police, for example, ya ki police bikin terekam effectively ki bu ya ka onus of responsibility ha beri balik ban object balik mudui ba pentip ba suspect tidrai kabagila man le kalau ba menta ngin penklan ni rules mari rules jong ki central acts ni sna mangi state government te immediate priority jong ni hani kalau ba ngin penklan ngin tighten ya ki rules ki ba ni dan ni belong full proof ki kadang ba kini jing ki kendo bar habede kaan ngilang ben kita tiga balai ke bakum sanduk ngasmo kedai pada karul jong ke imlang salam ni nado ki educational institution nado ki niam dalam ba min hikai ya ke jinglong adakar akhirnya sama ki jogi te pindah back hakat mopi mention di kata ngi ni nado na wan pai ku nomi kama ila intensify ila hamjur ya ki rate but kan dia jadi ka try success stories kala hambun ya ka quantity jong ki seized drugs kala hiu te idan kamru ya ka support jong ka community berapa. If you recall, this is an issue that I had also raised in the State Assembly very vociferously 5-6 years ago, and now that I'm here in charge of social welfare, I will ensure that we tighten our grip over the system, and no men, especially men in uniform, shall be allowed to operate in such a manner. Wherever such cases come up to your attention, bring them to my notice as well.